this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix a computer that will not power on. So I'm pressing the power button and the computer won't power on. So what you need to do is unplug the power adapter and then remove the power adapter from the computer. The next thing you need to do is to remove the battery from the computer. Now the next thing you need to do is press and hold down the power button for about 18 seconds. Okay, now let go of the power button. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to plug the power adapter into the computer. Okay, so I'm going to plug the power adapter into the outlet. There you go. That is how to fix a computer that will not power on. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.